With the strongest bite force ever recorded, the Tyrannosaurus Rex needs no introduction. As one of the deadliest animals to ever walk the earth, it's almost impossible to imagine a creature that could challenge this monster. However, in 2008, scientists discovered a beast in Utah that not only changed our understanding of dinosaurs, but also might have led to the reign of the fearsome T-Rex. But what exactly could do that? How powerful was it? And how did this Jurassic Park monster alter our understanding of dinosaurs forever? In 2008, two paleontologists from the Field Museum in Chicago, Lindsay Zano and Peter Makovicki, stumbled across a discovery that very quickly changed our knowledge of prehistoric times. While searching the late Cretaceous Cedar Mountain Formation, a well-known site for uncovering dinosaur fossils from the Cretaceous period in Utah, the two paleontologists came across some dinosaur bones sticking out of the hillside. Initially thought to belong to a Carcharodontosaur type of dinosaur, it's possibly closely related to Acrocanthosaurus or Xiaoqilong. The two had no idea what they found. After a few years of studying and categorizing, in 2013, they came out to claim they'd found a new species of dinosaur, named after a cannibalistic monster from Ute mythology, with Meekerorum honoring the Meeker family who supported the research. Siats belonged to the Neovenatoridae family, part of the larger clade Allosauridae. So what exactly were the Siats like? Well, no one could say with 100% certainty, and this is sadly because of how fragmented the dinosaur fossil was. Collected from 2008 to 2010, the dinosaur fossils comprised 5 backbones, 8 tailbones, and 1 chevron, which is a bone under the tail, part of the right hip bone, part of the ischium, which is a lower hip bone, part of the fibula, which is a lower leg bone, part of the left shin bone, and several toe bones from both the right and left feet. As you can see, the Siats were missing a lot of really important parts, like its head or teeth. However, with the little information, Zano and Makovicki still managed to discern that their fossil belonged to a never-before-discovered dinosaur. Walking the Earth approximately 98 million years ago during the late Cretaceous period, the Siat was a giant theropod that is estimated to be around 30 feet long and possibly weighing up to 4 tons. Essentially, it was the size of an RV. Crazily enough, hypothetical adults could most likely reach sizes of over 12 meters in length and over 5 tons in weight, making this theropod one of the largest predators in North America. Although we don't have enough fossil evidence, scientists have been able to infer something about this beast by looking at other dinosaurs in its family, like the English Neovenator, the Mongolian Chilantasaurus, the Argentinian Erosteon, and the North American Dromaeosaurids. According to these estimates, the Siat had a robust build, powerful limbs, sharp teeth, and a strong jaw. It could run about 35 to 45 kilometers per hour and had a bite force of about 2 to 3 tons. Unlike many of the Tyrannosauridae family, the Siat actually had functional arms with claws, making them extremely effective hunters. As one of the apex predators in its ecosystem, Siats dominated the landscape long before T-Rex appeared, preying on large herbivorous dinosaurs and competing with other predators. It likely fed on dinosaurs such as the Cedarosaurus, the Venenosaurus, the Iguanodontians, the Enemantarchs, and the Eolambia. The Siat likely lived in a semi-arid to subtropical region featuring warm temperatures with seasonal variations. This climate most likely supported a variety of plant life, including conifers and early flowering plants, providing ample food for herbivorous dinosaurs that thrived in this environment, which by extension meant more food for the Siat. When the Siats Meekerorum walked the earth, it quite literally ran the show. This was because Siats belonged to the Neovenatoridae family, which was part of the larger Allosauridae clade, a group of theropods that dominated before the rise of the Tyrannosauridae family. The Siat were such effective hunters that they influenced the evolutionary paths of numerous species. Herbivores like sauropods and early hadrosaurids, for example, were forced to develop various defensive adaptations such as armor, horns, and even faster locomotion. Of course, the Siat wasn't the only apex predator at the time, but it was still a heavy hitter. As mentioned before, the Siat did not live around the same time as the T-Rex, as the T-Rex walked the Earth around 30 million years after the Siat. The Siat, however, still managed to affect its evolution. See, the Siat lived alongside smaller tyrannosaurs like the Tyrannosaur moros, and during this period, it exerted pressure on the species as it was the apex predator. When the Siats and other large theropods eventually went extinct, they left behind an ecological vacuum that had profound implications for the evolutionary trajectories of future predators. The extinction of the Siats around the end of the mid-Cretaceous created opportunities for other theropods to rise to power. This void allowed early members of the Tyrannosauridae family to flourish and evolve without direct competition from similarly large predators. With fewer large rivals, early tyrannosaurids could diversify and adapt, exploiting new evolutionary pathways that would eventually lead to their dominance in the late Cretaceous. This period of adaptive radiation allowed tyrannosaurids to develop traits that made them formidable apex predators. They evolved massive body sizes, powerful bite forces, and specialized hunting adaptations, setting the stage for the emergence of iconic predators like Tyrannosaurus Rex. The absence of large competitors like Siats also influenced the dynamics of predator-prey relationships, affecting how herbivores evolved and interacted with their new predators. In essence, while Siats Meekerorum did not directly impact early tyrannosaurids, its role as an apex predator and subsequent extinction led to the rise of the Tyrannosauridae family. The evolutionary opportunities created by Siats' disappearance enabled early tyrannosaurids to become the dominant predators of their time, ultimately leading to the reign of the mighty T-Rex. So what exactly killed off the Siats? See, although the Siats were a dominant predator in their time, they faced significant challenges that ultimately led to their extinction. One of the most prominent reasons was the environment. The environment was changing rapidly, with fluctuating temperatures and shifting vegetation. These changes made it harder for Siats to find food and suitable living conditions. In addition to that, the Siats had to compete with other predators for resources. And as new, more efficient predators emerged, the competition intensified, putting further strain on Siats. Then there were natural disasters, such as volcanic eruptions and asteroid impacts, that also played a crucial role. These events caused widespread environmental disruptions, which would have been devastating for many species, including Siats. Disease was also another factor, as it might have spread quickly among dinosaurs, adding to their difficulties. Ultimately, around 66 million years ago, the asteroid impact near the Yucatan Peninsula sealed the fate of Siats and many other species, leading to their extinction. Much is still unknown about the Siat and about a lot of the species out there. However, the little we've learned from this species has changed what we know about prehistoric times. From its legacy as a predator to the effects of its extinction, the Siat is a monster truly worthy of its name. But what do you think? Would a T-Rex beat a Siat? Or would the larger Siat be a major threat? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe. Until next time, stay curious.